Hey guys, Christine here. I'm not in my Plant Field and Fit kitchen today. I'm in my mom's kitchen. Hey Mom.
Hi Chris.
So it's Memorial Day weekend and we're going to have a cookout and the whole family's coming over. And I was going to prepare these baked beans before I came to my mom's house, but I thought it'd be more fun if we cooked together. What do you think?
I think that's great.
So first of all, we'll just go over what's in the recipe. So cannellini beans.
Cannellini beans.
And what's this?
Diced tomatoes.
Diced tomatoes. And we have some garlic and some chopped onions. And we have all of our spices ready. We have some tomato paste in here, as well as some dill
weed, oregano leaves, bay leaves,
and a little dash of
cloves. Yes.
So what we need to do first to start this recipe off is we're going to saute some of our onions and garlic in the pan on the stove over there. So you want to go dump that in, Mom?
Sure.
So we have our pan already going. So it's really hot and those onions are going to hit it and they're going to start sauteing right away. So we'll turn it up a little bit. Mom has a nice gas stove here. So why don't you get a spatula and we'll start stirring that up, all right? All right, Mom did a nice job. She got those onions going over there on the stove with the garlic as well. The next step in our recipe today is we're going to add in the diced tomatoes. So we have 2 cans of diced tomatoes here. You already opened one, right?
Yes.
So we'll go take this over to the stove and we'll dump these in. It's the tomato and their juices. We'll add those in there.
Yeah.
That's going to be good. So once the tomatoes are in there cooking with the onions and the garlic, we're going to add in the rest of our seasoning. We already went over what the seasonings are. We have the tomato paste, the oregano, the bay leaf, the dill, and a little bit of cloves in here so you could see. I'm going to take that over to the stove and we're going to dump that into our mixture and let it cook for a little bit. Alright, so we're adding that into the mixture on the stove over here. Once we get all that in, Mom's going to stir it around. And once she has that all stirred together, she's going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer on the stove for about 10 minutes. Alright, our tomato and onion mixture is just about done on the stove over there. So what Mom's going to do is she's going to dump our cannellini beans into our casserole dish. She has a really nice casserole dish here. And this is what we're going to bake the baked beans in. Alright,
Okay.
Mom?
Here I go.
Alright, missing one. There you go. And I'm going to go and get that mixture from the stove. How's that smell, Mom? What do you think?
Smells wonderful. Wow. I can't believe this aroma in it. I think I'll need a big spoon to mix it up with.
Alright, so if you could get a nice shot in there, this is the mixture that we have going into our beans. I'm going to dump that in. And then, Mom, do you want to stir it up?
Yeah, I'll stir it up.
Alright, perfect. So once we have this all stirred together, we're going to toss it into the oven. What's the oven set at, Mom?
325.
We have it at 325 and we're gonna
20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. Then we'll check on the baked beans, and if they need some more water in there, we'll add some more, and we'll bake it for another 15 minutes. So Mom got the mixture all stirred together and spooned into our casserole dish. It looks really good, right? So now it's going to go into the oven.
Okay. In there.
All right.
We'll bake that then.
We'll check back in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
All right, so now we're all done with our baked beans. We're going to call my brother over here and he's going to try them out. So if you could come in for a nice close look, you can see how good and delicious this looks.
Your sister and I did these.
What do you think about them? Try them out. Good or not good? Okay.
Yeah.
Up, down.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Very good.
All right.
Well, that's what we have here today. We're going to have a nice Memorial Day picnic with our family now. Thanks.
Thanks. Bye.